Hello, my name is Olga and I'd like to welcome you to my video course on sketching in interior design. So here I am and I'm gonna welcome you in the beginning of each lesson. My course consists of 5 lessons, each of them covers one of the most important topics in interior sketching, such as drawing interior in two-point perspective, principles of drawing furniture, and as an example we will make hand rendering of a classical armchair. Also, I'll show you how to draw interior in one-point perspective, or sometimes it's called frontal perspective. I'm gonna teach you how to render different textures, such as wood, metal, fabric, glass, and finally we will create sketch plan of a studio apartment. So, invest in your learning, in your education, and become a skillful hand renderer. Join my video course and learn anywhere at any time you wish. Find more information under this video and have a great day.